At what point in the SEO process you should actually start link building is a very common question. And although link building is very important to your ranking success, it is not the first step you'll want to take in the SEO process. Before you can begin your link building campaign, there are 2 steps you should take first. The first is keyword research. You need to know which keywords you're going to go after so you can target the right sites and anchor text. You also need to know your top keywords so you can optimize your website correctly, which brings me to point number 2, on-site optimization. On-site optimization is making sure your website is prepared to rank in search engines. This is a crucial step to take before starting to build links. This is an entire topic itself, so I'm not going to cover that all here, but this is where you'll make adjustments to different aspects of your site, including the title tags, meta description, your content, header tags, your URLs, formatting of your content, your internal site structure, as we'll talk about, and others. Essentially, you need to make sure you've done proper keyword research, that your website architecture is properly set up, and you've put strong content in place. Then you'll be ready to begin the link building process.